Friends, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and powerful topics, how numbers can attract wealth into your life. You'll discover which numbers draw money, how to harness their energy correctly, and what mistakes might be blocking your financial flow. Watch until the end because I'll be sharing a powerful practice to activate your money luck. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others struggle no matter how hard they try? What if I told you that the secret to wealth isn't just hard work or luck, but something much more mystical? Ancient traditions from all over the world have long believed in powerful money rituals, simple yet incredibly effective techniques that can open the flow of abundance in your life. In this video, I will share the most powerful rituals that will help you attract financial success. Stay with me until the end because I will also reveal a special technique used by the wealthiest people to multiply their fortune. Throughout history, humans have sought ways to attract prosperity. From ancient Egypt to modern-day Japan, different cultures have developed unique money rituals that are still practiced today. These rituals are not just superstitions. They are based on deep spiritual principles that align your energy with the frequency of wealth. One of the most well-known money rituals comes from China. The practice of placing a red envelope with money under your pillow on New Year's Eve. The color red symbolizes prosperity, and by keeping money close while you sleep, you invite financial abundance into your life. In India, people believe in the power of the goddess Lakshmi, the bringer of wealth. It is said that lighting a Diya oil lamp in front of her image and chanting her mantra can remove financial obstacles and bring good fortune. In European traditions, carrying a coin in your left pocket is believed to attract wealth. Even today, some successful business people always keep a lucky coin with them as a symbol of financial security. Another powerful ritual is writing down your financial goals on a piece of paper and placing it inside your wallet. This technique is rooted in the law of attraction, reinforcing your intentions every time you open your wallet. Some people swear by the practice of placing a bowl of rice with coins near the entrance of their home. This ritual, common in Southeast Asia, is said to attract financial stability and ensure that money flows into the household. Have you ever heard of the full moon abundance check? This ritual involves writing yourself a check for the amount of money you desire and placing it under the moonlight. Many people believe this helps manifest unexpected financial gains. The power of salt is another fascinating ritual. Sprinkling a bit of salt in the corners of your home is believed to cleanse negative energy and make way for prosperity. Some even add a pinch of salt to their wallets to prevent money loss. One of the most mystical practices involves cinnamon. On the first day of the month, blowing cinnamon powder through your front door while setting the intention of wealth is said to bring financial blessings for the entire month. Another incredible ritual comes from Japan, the art of feng shui. The way you arrange your home can directly impact your financial flow. Keeping your workspace clean and placing a small water fountain near your entrance can attract money energy. In Africa, some communities use special money-drawing oils made from herbs and spices. By anointing your hands with this oil before handling money, you symbolically invite more wealth into your life. Visualization is also a powerful ritual. Closing your eyes and picturing yourself surrounded by abundance, seeing the numbers in your bank account grow, feeling the joy of financial freedom can program your subconscious mind for success. Another practice involves using green candles, the color of money, during meditation. Lighting a green candle while focusing on your financial goals is believed to enhance your ability to attract prosperity. Many successful people also believe in the power of gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal and writing down everything you are thankful for, including the money you already have, shifts your mindset towards abundance. Here's a special secret technique: the 55 by 5 method. This involves writing your financial affirmation 55 times for 5 consecutive days. For example, I am attracting financial abundance effortlessly. This repetitive practice helps rewire your brain for success. If you combine these rituals with practical financial strategies, you create a powerful system for attracting wealth. The key is to believe in the process, remain consistent, and stay open to receiving abundance in unexpected ways. Now you know some of the most powerful money rituals used around the world, but this is just the beginning. In the next video, I will reveal a secret ancient technique that can multiply your financial gains tenfold. If you want to learn this technique, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Which ritual resonated with you the most? If we reach 5,000 likes, I will share the most powerful financial manifestation technique ever known.